Hello everyone. In this session we have to learn the what is batteries and what are the classification of the batteries. Here the batteries will be classified into three types. Which are those means primary batteries, secondary batteries and the reserve batteries. Now firstly we have to study the what is batteries and what are the examples of this batteries. Okay. What is batteries? It is a compact device consisting of two or more galvanic cell connected in series, parallel or in both. Means these are the devices which will be connected in this is in parallel and this is the series manner, or it will be connected in the both manner. Okay. How it will be function will be taking place means it will be stores the chemical energy. It stores chemical energy in the form of active material and demand for the conversion of the electrical energy. Okay, through which reaction? Through the redox reaction. Okay, redox is nothing but oxidation and the reduction reaction. Through this reaction, the chemical energy will be stored in the active material and demand for the converted into electrical energy is called as an batteries. Now we have to study the what is the examples of the batteries. Now we are seeing batteries are used in calculator, digital watches, pacemaker. What is this pacemaker means? Pacemaker is a small battery operated device. That device sends when our heart is beating irregularly and too slow. It sends a message or signal to our heart that makes our heart beat at the correct pace. Where it will be implanted means it will be implanted under the skin of the chest. Okay, and also this will be used in the portable computer, electronically controlled cameras, and also used in the digital watches, electroplating, telecommunication, military applications. These are also used in the military and the space application. These are the uses of the batteries. Now we have to see what are the main components of the means principal components of the batteries. Here we have to take this is an example. This is an battery in which it will consisting of anode. This is an anode and this is the cathode. In between the anode and cathode there is a separator will be present, like separator polypropylene, like that the separator will be present, and we are taking the electrolyte solution. Means what are the main principles of this batteries means it is consisting of anode where the oxidation will taking place and the cathode where the reduction will taking place. In this two, in this between these two we have kept the separator. What it will be, it will be separate the anode and the cathode. Okay, after that we are taking the electrolyte. These are the principal components of the batteries. Now we have to see the what is the classification of the batteries. Batteries we are classified into three major classification, which are those means primary batteries, secondary batteries and the reserve batteries. First we have to study the what is the primary batteries. What is primary batteries are the primary batteries are the not reversible. These batteries are the not reversible, not rechargeable, and once we have to discharge there is no further electrical use. These are the primary batteries. Means once this in this primary batteries the cell reaction are not reversible, they are not rechargeable, and once discharging have no further electrical use. These are the primary batteries. What are the example here we are taken for the primary batteries? Means here the dry cell, zinc manganese dioxide, lithium manganese dioxide batteries and the zinc A cell. These are the examples of the primary batteries. Okay, the point we have to remember means it is a not reversible and not rechargeable batteries is called the primary batteries. Opposite of this primary batteries are the secondary batteries. What is the secondary batteries? These are the reversible and rechargeable batteries are the secondary batteries. Now to see these batteries are rechargeable means chargeable and can be used again and again. In this primary batteries what happen, you have to see here in this primary batteries this once discharging and no further use. See here once we are discharged no further use. Okay, these are the primary batteries. Where what happen in the secondary batteries means in this secondary batteries we have to see here it will be used again and again. The cell reaction is reversible. These batteries are called the secondary batteries. What happen in this secondary battery? Both discharging and charging will taking place. In the primary batteries only discharging will taking place, while in secondary batteries both discharging and charging will taking place. During discharging it will act as a galvanic cell. In galvanic cell what happen? The chemical energy will be converted into electrical energy. In primary batteries also the chemical energy will be converted into electrical energy. And also in this batteries, in secondary batteries, it acts as an electrolyte cell. What is the function of this electrolyte cell? It converts electrical energy into chemical energy. Okay, these are the batteries which will be both act as a galvanic cell and electrolyte cell. Galvanic cell, what happened? The chemical energy converted into electrical energy, whereas in electrolyte cell the electrical energy will be converted into chemical energy. Okay, what are the examples of this batteries? Means here we have taken example lead acid battery, nickel cadmium and nickel metal hydrides, nickel metal hydride battery and lithium batteries. These are the examples of the secondary batteries. Now see the what is the reserve batteries and what are the examples of this reserve batteries. What is reserve batteries? Means these batteries which can be stored in an active state. We are in the name itself it will be reserve, means stored. It will be stored in active state and made ready for use by activating them prior to the application are called as a reserve batteries. Here one more thing you have to remember, in this electrolyte we are using the key component, that is electrolyte. Here the key component of the battery such as electrolyte is separated from the batteries, means it will be separated when we are using, that means electrolyte will be filled before usage. Okay, these are the reserve batteries. What are the examples of these reserve batteries? Lithium vanadium pentoxide and zinc silver oxide. These are the examples of the reserve batteries. Thank you.